Hey guys, yeah, I don't know what happened to Prince Horsey, but I found his camera and stuff, so I'm just gonna make a video and stuff. So yeah. By the way, the guy that holds the camera, which is not me. No, I'm right here. You see. But anyway, he says sorry that he's not uploading videos, and he's just been very busy on the summer, and he wants y'all to keep subscribing and on that, and there'll be more videos and like that. So yeah, by the way, we hit our goal, but I'm gonna make a better one. Going for 20 subscribers, guys. Yeah, we're doing very good. We're doing very good with that. Anyway, guys, see ya. And yeah, alright, bye.